Yeah, yeah. Cause whenever I'm away from the sport, my life's in complete disaster. I've like dealt with substance abuse and mental health issues for years. Anytime that I'm doing well and like my mental health is on track and I feel good about myself, I'm connected to the paintball community. Like whenever I'm away, something negative is happening in my life and I'm not myself. So like paintball brings me joy. It brings me friendship. It just overall makes me a better person. My girlfriend even like says it. She was like, on days where you like don't go to the field, like with the snow, like I was like in like a depression because the fields were snowed out for 2 weeks. And she's like, you're like a better boyfriend. You're just an overall better person after you come back from the paintball field. So like it brings me so much more than I can give to it.